Okay guys, sorry about that, I had to take that call. So, back to this, I'm just, again, finishing putting the 1/4 inch tape in here. Again, just following the lines, giving it a little bit of curve as I come inside here. And nice and clean. Boom. So there we go with that. Now, all I'm going to do is take some 3/4 inch masking tape, come inside of here, going right to the edge, just leaving about 1/16 inch or so wherever I possibly can. Seal up the inside because the inside is stained silver, so that's giving me a nice edge. You notice the wider tape you have to tuck it down, just walk it along. Again, found a little fuzzy, get that out of there so it doesn't show up. Now, here's where the challenge comes in for most people, getting it finished up here in the corner. So give me 1 second, I'm going to prep this real quick, and then I'm going to show you how I do this. So hopefully you can see this right here. Where the tape meets, I take and I just press my nail down real good. See that sharp edge now? That helps seal up the edge of it. Then what I do is I bring that tape over. Again, I'm going right to the edge. I'm going to seal up that corner of it. I've already got this tape there, so all I'm going to do, actually do this so I can see where I'm going. Just going to take this, just score the tape. Bam. Done. Okay. So now what I get to do is cut this tape here. So 2 places I've got to cut. One is right here. So I can peel this one up. And of course, one piece got left behind. So I'll just score it a little deeper, peel it up. Then the other more challenging spot is this side. And again, just take your time, guys. No need to rush this. Paint ain't going anywhere. Your job certainly ain't going anywhere until you're done with it. Okay? So now I've got 3 of the fine line layers and 1 of the masking tape. Again, I'm just going to press all the way around real good, hold it all in place real nice. Now what I'm going to do is peel my 1/8 inch, and now I've got the edge right there. You can see the outside edge and the inside edge. Same thing, press my tape down real good here so I don't get any bleed through. So I'll finish masking up this inside. Then I'll mask up all of the outside within reason. And what I'll do is I'll shoot some footage showing you. I'm actually just going to use an airbrush. So so that I can spray my black in here, but it's real small, real fine. It's only I think I've got about a 1/4 inch width that I can cover with it. So I'll shoot the black in there, and then when that's done, I'll take and put the 1/8 inch on it again to cover it, and I'll actually probably use 1/4 inch so that it'll cover from the edge here to about here, covering up the black. Then I'll pull this outside, spray my color, so I'll have black and then all the silver on the inside. So I'll show you guys more of that. That's how I start laying up, and as we get going, I'll show you how it progresses, but obviously that's what the finished product will look like. Of course, you see got that honeycomb design in there, so that's a whole nother trick, but again, that's the ultimate goal. So we'll show some more stuff for you guys on how I do this kind of stuff. Alright, back to this. Then again, guys, it's not that this stuff is crazy hard to do. It's just take your time, come up with ideas, play with stuff, and see how it all works out. I like to keep things like the inside of the tape, this hard plastic. Take and keep that because I use it for different radiuses. I even use the actual roll of tape itself. You can see how that fit there. And just come up with any kind of pieces you need to make your shapes and designs you want. I'll try to do a video to show you this. The honeycomb design. I'll cheat and show you guys this right now. This is literally just a laundry bag. It's a Delicate's laundry bag, and that's what I used to make my honeycomb. So I'll show you more of that as we go on. Alright, stay tuned, guys.